Doing paperwork is old school. You have to have streamlined data instantly to run an efficient business.
Before the system was installed, day-to-day was just punching in and having to go walk to the pillar, walk to the mod, work, and then once that job was completed, walk back to the pillar. And it was a lot of necessary time taken out of our day.
Everyone actually spends a lot of time looking for things, looking for people, and then manually completing processes. And I felt the need to find something to solve that not apparent issue. The RTLS system is a real-time location system to track personnel's locations as well as our finished products locations on the production line.
This is your bird's eye view into our production plant. The trackers on the production floor each will send up a little signal to one of our anchors on the ceiling, which will then be sent to the system we see in the back here.
Really taking aspects of Industry 4.0 and applying them to our day-to-day activities.
With this RTLS system, the most useful result we have is data right away. Instead of having to wait a few days, a week to get the data that we had from the previous week, we have it instantly. And I can fix issues right away. I believe the RTLS system is the future of construction nowadays, especially for production.
With the RTLS system, we have access to the spaghetti maps and the heat maps, which allow us to see what the greatest distance is that some of the employees are traveling to grab things like tools or production materials, and then be able to move those products closer to their current work area.
Every minute counts. This system allows us to have that insight into where all of our labor is being spent, and we can recognize bottlenecks, challenges, inefficiencies very, very quickly. This is a huge benefit to us from a safety standpoint, from a production standpoint, recognizing if our teams are properly sized, knowing where everybody is at all times of the day is invaluable to a plant manager. My team has become a very good, productive team. RTLS system has increased our ways of focusing more on detail and just on the production itself. And the amount of time they save is just like tremendous. It's like I'm talking almost hours of saving throughout the day.
With RTLS, we've built a dashboard that shows us every bit of production data we need to know to make any type of informed decision. We call it invaluable.